Welcome back to my channel for Temu Tech Haul September Part 2. We're picking up right where we left off in last week's video. Okay, let's see. Let's do this box. What is this? What the heck is that? Man, listen, I be spending money on Temu and I don't be... I be spending money on Temu and listen. Be out here making acquisitions for you all. So this here, let's sit that back to the side for a second. I know that when I open this bag, the color better be different, but this is for content creators or folks at home that work from home and they want to hide that background. Okay, it's blue and green. Okay, all right, let them use you. Okay. This goes on my chair. All right, and there's a blue side and there's a green side, and basically you put this on the chair. That's wild. That thing wild. And so this is like a green screen, and so this goes on the back of your chair. And so even if you if you're a streamer working from home and you want to use one of those work backgrounds on Microsoft Teams or Zoom or whatever, you can use this and it removes the background smoothly so that you're not ducking in and out of the background that it's trying to remove from your video. So this is dope. I'm gonna use this for like streaming and stuff like that. And I don't know, depending on how long it takes me to edit this video, maybe I've already removed the background using this thing. Let's see what we got else in here. Okay, again, the white hexagons as well. Again, I'm literally about to walk. When I finish making this video, I'm gonna go upstairs and start putting those up so I can move on with that project. Tired of that project. Got myself a new, listen, I love gaming pads. I love them. Desk pads, gaming pads. Changing a gaming pad changes the entire look of your desk setup. I don't like this. It's smaller than I thought it was going to be, but I mean, it's decent quality. As usual, I like the big desk mat, and I thought this was one of the bigger ones, but this one would be cool for the desk setup upstairs. But this picture is not as nice as it looked online. Like, I mean, that picture was dang near the Hubble telescope, and now we got this is the Bubble telescope. This crazy. What? Temu got me on this. I mean, it looks good. It looks like when you looking at it right here, this camera, that looks good. But here in person, man, this thing looks blurry as heck. Man, that camera is fooling y'all. Get it on this camera up close. Yeah, you see them blurry grays, but then you put it up here and it's like all defined. I don't know why it looked good on camera. This doesn't look good. So this is a smart ceiling light, and this is gonna go up there on my desk so that I can program that to go with my studio light. So at any given time, I can say, turn off studio.
Okay.
And she does. Turn on studio.
Okay.
And she turns it back on. So I'm gonna program this thing here so that I can, you know, have it set to when I come in the room, or, you know, I don't know. I'm gonna do some stuff. But it takes the place of the light up there, and you hardwire it in. And so there's your LED lights on the inside there. Let me make sure this is copacetic now. Make sure ain't nothing loose or broken. And it's broken. Dang it. It's broken. I'm glad I looked. All right, so that arrived damaged. Dang it. Dang it. That's the first product. I mean, yeah, they're boxes. They show up dilapidated and destroyed, but that's the first product that I've had that was damaged during transit. And that's not the one the guy threw on the porch, so. It's not his fault. All right, wrapping up. We got one package left. We got one package left. And I'll get in this thing and see what we got here. Okay. Ooh, I forgot about this. This is it's a UHF microphone system. Let me do this side. If you have a setup and you don't want to have cables all over the place, this little wireless system actually plugs into your microphone on the back, and then it plugs into your audio interface. They basically have little screens that allow you to connect them there. Let me put that like that so you can kind of see it. It comes with these 1/4 inches just in case you need that adapter. I have combo jacks on my audio interface, the UAC 232. Plug these in real quick and we're going to try these out so you can hear them. Testing the sound of the wireless UHF system, testing the sound of the wireless UHF system. There's a little bit of noise in the signal there, and so I removed the plug-in cable to see if it's a Zoom UAC 232 thing or if it is this wireless system. So this is without any cables plugged in. In this we have, oh, these are my gaming glasses. So these are supposed to be anti-blue light glasses. And basically these are just to wear when you're gaming for extensive hours, and they're supposed to protect your thing. As you can see, the little blue light blocking lens thing there, giving a reflection. But these are just glasses to wear, and these are like $3. Now some of these blue light glasses are like 60 to 120 bucks, and there's definitely something there. I can see that these are just, oh my, they're dirty. It hurts me. But these are just to wear when I'm gaming. Almost died. Oh, I swallowed something the wrong way. That was almost it. But you can see that there is some form of like it's not clear. So there is like a tint or something like that to block blue light, and they are extremely lightweight. They feel good and they look decent. So let me know your thoughts. They're like $3. Link in the description. So Temu already knew about the Apple Watch 9 because I think I only ended up buying 2. So Temu, you can get watch bands all day long on Temu. Now I sold you the Apple cases in the past, and I didn't want to do like 50 cases. Man, I'm telling you, that was almost it. I didn't want to do 50 watch bands like I did the cases, but here are some watch bands for, this should fit 42, 44, 45, and 49 millimeters, which is this watch right here. And so I got 2 different styles, but there's for cheap, because I've gotten the watch bands from Amazon to replace my watch bands for my watches, and they're expensive. Not really, you can find some cheap ones, but these are some kind of cool ones, right? That you can use, and like, how the heck do you use that? How do you? Hold on, man. Listen, I'm not about to be sitting here oh, you really unscrewed. That's a bit much now for every day. You unscrew that one to undo that one right there. Yeah, sweet. That looks good. Okay, going on from there, we have, now this is a 180 degree, 100 and what is this? It's by ViewSonic, so a solid brand, real brand. I know people always talk about Temu having all the cheap brands on there, but ViewSonic is one of the world's largest computer peripheral style brands. They have monitors, they have storage, they have everything. So this is a ViewSonic cable. I didn't know it was ViewSonic when I ordered it, but hey. But this is a USB-C, and it's like one of those 180 degree right angles type thing, so your cable doesn't get damaged. And so I'm gonna plug this into the side of my camera. You can't see it, but I'm gonna plug this into the side of my camera so that the cable can sit like this and it stops pulling out the cable. But either way, I can use this either way. This, we got one more thing in there. Now this is a QC plus PD, so power delivery portable travel. So quick charger. This is an outlet and it has a screen on there. It has different, and this is high quality. It doesn't feel cheap at all. But it's a quick charger, and I'm gonna put some B-roll up so you guys can see this plugged in and working. But it's a portable charger, so you can pack it up and put it in and then plug this into the wall, and then you just use cables such as this to power your devices when you go on the road. So that way you have one plug in and it tells you how much wattage is being used while it's plugged in. So you can understand how much is going into your device, so that way you can make sure that your device is safely being charged. And so that's cool. You would have seen some B-roll by now. I would have edited it in there. Lastly, this is the last thing. Now, I know some people get mad about this stuff, but listen, I do what I gotta do out here, man. I got these kids, man. But this, this is a 2.4 HDMI wireless gaming system. Now this is over 1,000 games on this thing, and it literally is, but they say it's up to 4K, and like I'm saying, classic games, like your classic games. So it's basically an emulator, and this is the gaming system here. This little stick right here. Let me get you some light because I'm back there and it's all dark. But this little stick right here it plugs directly into the HDMI cable, and it gets you some gaming. Now, this little Bluetooth receiver, I believe, is for the controllers. And then there's a cable right here to power it. So there's that is September 2023. Yeah, tech haul. That's everything. It was a pretty big haul, just like usual. These things are getting big and expensive. Hit the like button. But no, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Any products that you're interested in learning about or hearing about more. My favorite product from this haul, don't be mad or weird, but it's the basketball thing. Like that's my favorite product from this haul. So yeah, let me know your thoughts. I'm really upset about the light. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, I'll put the playlist here for all the Temu videos that I've done so far. Hopefully I don't forget any. There's hauls and then individual products where I thought they were good enough for a video. But yeah, and if you enjoyed the content and want to see more of it, subscribe and consider joining the Cozy Coalition. So as always, stay cozy in that crazy world, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace. How you put this crap back? Yeah, messing with me, Temu.